Welcome to Wake Up Canada News. I'm Brad Wilder. No, I'm not AI, and no, I'm not dead. I did have a heart attack, but things are back on track. It's been a couple of days. I've written a lot of stories between then and now, 15 of them to be exact. We've got a lot of episodes to get to because, well, Canadians need to know now. There's no time to wait. MP Dan Mazier is breaking this next story as the Liberals are blocking the Health Committee from investigating their vaccine injury support program despite damning reports of mismanagement. The vaccine injury support program is a $50 million Liberal disaster, with only $18 million reaching Canadians and the other 36 being given as administrative fees. Thousands of Canadians are left waiting years for help while millions of tax dollars pad the pockets of a consultant with no apparent health expertise. Why is more money going to consultants than injured Canadians? Conservatives are demanding a full investigation. Let's take a look at Global News Report. I can't believe they even covered this story, being the Liberal think tank they are.
There are calls for an investigation into a multi-million-dollar federal program meant to help Canadians seriously and permanently injured by vaccines. The Vaccine Injury Support Program was created by the Liberal government during the pandemic to provide financial support to those who are hurt. But many who have turned to the program say they've been waiting for months, sometimes years, to get a response. Now, as Carolyn Jarvis reports, MPs are demanding an emergency meeting to get to the bottom of it.
It's absolutely ridiculous. It's a slap in the face to every Canadian taxpayer.
The Vice Chair of the Federal Health Committee, Dan Mazier, is asking for an investigation into the Vaccine Injury Support Program. After Global News exposed allegations, the program is not providing the fair and timely access to financial help it promised.
People's lives are depending on this. This is an embarrassment.
Mazier and the 3 other Conservative MPs on the committee are requesting an emergency meeting. Mazier says the chair, Liberal Hedy Fry, has not responded. Fry's staff told Global News she is away and unavailable. The Public Health Agency of Canada hired a private company called Oxaro to operate the Vaccine Injury Support Program. New data shows it has paid Oxaro more than $54 million to run the program since it launched in 2021. Only a third of that, $18 million, has reached the injured. $36 million went to administrative costs. Today, 1,738 people are still waiting for their claim to be processed.
They have no clue what they're doing.
Laura Haight has been battling VISP for more than 3 years. She was diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome following a flu vaccine, an extremely rare but documented side effect.
I thought this group would be actually in my corner and advocating for me. Instead, I felt like I was an annoyance.
Her claim was denied, the medical board stating an infection was more likely to have caused the condition. She is appealing with the support of her doctor, who argues otherwise. Meantime, she's out more than $70,000 with no timeline for when her case may be decided.
Good.
The Guillain-Barré Syndrome Foundation says the program needs to be overhauled.
When a GBS patient finds themselves in the ICU, they need support, financial support and other supports within days or weeks, not months or years.
I think you've forgotten that there are people at the end of this line who have been damaged.
We again asked the Federal Health Minister, Marjorie Michel, for an interview, but her team declined, saying they're working on it, but wouldn't explain what that means. Meanwhile, Oxaro, the company which runs the program, says it has adapted to meet higher than expected volumes. And as for the money, it says its invoices are all approved by the Public Health Agency of Canada. Donna?
Carolyn.
The mismanagement runs deep here in Canada with the Liberals in charge. You voted for this. Elbows up, everyone. Thanks for watching Wake Up Canada News. Please like, share, and follow us on any of your favorite socials, including YouTube, Facebook, Rumble, and BitChute. Till next time, remember that you're the voice, and it's time to make it count. I'm Brad Wilder, and I'll see you next time.